Version of the video, and today we have an airsoft gun. Holy crap, these are filled with our Orbeez. Well, not right now. I'm not gonna fill it up because I don't want to waste all my, well, I have 2 jars, like big 2 pickle like jars full of them. Just gonna load them up. Look at that thing. Honestly, it vibrates my hand. Look at this. Anyway, this thing's pretty cool. The battery is actually right here. It's warm. I've been using it for a little bit. And honestly, this thing's amazing. And right here, this thing, twist this up. And this thing does hurt to shoot people. Me and my dad and my sister all took turns shooting each other. That's the end of the video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. Bye.